Hey friends, a lot of users are asking that is FileRepMalware malware and should you remove it? See, here's the thing. FileRepMalware is a genuine process and it is associated with a lot of third-party antivirus programs and it is used to check for viruses. But it may be disguised, I mean, a malware may be disguised with this name, so you never know about it. But here's my general suggestion. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings, go to the Apps tab, select Install Apps. If you find any third party antivirus app, just uninstall it. Then search for Windows Security and go to Windows Security. Once it is installed, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Select Scan Options, Full Scan, and perform a full scan on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.